Hey, so for tonight's drink, we're gonna make a Smoky Irish Mule. What Smoky is, yesterday I did an experiment and I made smoked simple syrup. It's equal parts sugar and water, put in the smoker for 2 hours on smoke. Turned out good. Has a sweet and then it has the good smoky flavor to it. Anyway, we'll start with ice, apparently. Gotta love filming. Fill your glass with ice. I'm using Jameson today. About half a glass for me. A little bit of smoked simple syrup. Squeeze a lime. And then top off with ginger beer. And then garnish with a lime. There you go.